Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the iPhone has enough power and connectivity. Plug in if needed and insert your SIM or join Wi-Fi so activation can proceed. Once powered on, swipe up or press the side button to begin and choose your language. This ensures menus appear correctly. When prompted, sign in with your Apple ID to enable iCloud, App Store, and Find My iPhone. If you skip it, you can still use the phone but lose automatic backups and syncing. You now customize security and restore options. Set a passcode and enroll Face ID or Touch ID so unlocking is fast and secure. This protects your data and Apple Pay. Next, choose Restore from iCloud or transfer directly from your old device to keep apps, messages, and settings. Setting up as new gives a clean start. Make sure to configure Siri, location services, and notification permissions so apps behave as you expect. You finish by updating iOS and installing key apps, then test core functions. Place a call, send a message, take a photo, and confirm iCloud sync works. These checks prove the device is ready. Once done, set up automatic backups and enable Find My iPhone so you can recover the device if needed. If something goes wrong, reboot first. If issues persist, check Wi-Fi, cellular SIM, or reset network settings. This resolves most activation and connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.